Hello and welcome to This Week on the Outer Banks. We're excited to have you here with us this week, and we want to tell you about a few things going on. Calling all young anglers, the Miss Oregon Inlet 2 head boat hosts an annual kids fishing tournament. There will be fishing, prizes, and a picnic. Visit missoregoninlet.com for registration and details. Swelza Brewing in Kittleville Hills hosts a first Sunday featuring local artists and food. Stop by for a pint and some culture. Swelza is also a great place to bring your dog. Ocracoke is hosting a Fig Festival from August 4th to the 6th. The festival features live music, storytelling, various activities, and all things fig. Please visit ocracokepreservation.org for more details. If you've never made a day trip to Ocracoke, definitely do it. This week, our live music venue recommendations are Mike Diana's Grill Room in Corolla, Roadside Bar and Grill in Duck, and Outer Banks Brewing Station in Kittleville Hills. For more activities and ideas, check out Twitty & Company's Facebook, Instagram, or the Twitty blog. Up next, we're going to talk with Chef Wes Stepp of NC Coast for this week's Local Business Spotlight. I am here today with Chef Wes Stepp at NC Coast Grill, right across from our Duck Twitty & Company office. And Wes, you're like a culinary delight product of the Outer Banks, and so it's really nice to be here. This is a great location. Tell us a little bit about what you do here.
NC Coast has been rocking and rolling. We're open for lunch and dinner. We're open 7 days a week. I also own Red Sky Cafe, which is right down the road.
Yeah.
And one of the signature dishes here at NC Coast, I know you were going to ask me about this, is the chef's board, where it's basically like a tapas presentation of our whole dinner menu for as many people as you have at your table. And I tell you one thing, it's kind of taken the beach by storm. Not only is the presentation, beyond reproach, it's really kind of an adventure for everyone at the table to be eating everything from salmon to tomahawk pork chop to North Carolina shrimp to whatever. And that all came originally from Red Sky Cafe, because
Okay.
I do that for like the chefs on calls, because a lot of times we'll go to these Twitty houses, you got 25 people staying in a house. They can't go out to eat. They call us, Red Sky comes up, sends a chef right to your house.
Yeah.
So they don't have to leave the beautiful home that you got sitting right on the beach. They don't have to worry about drinking and driving. They got a menu that feeds everyone from grandpa to the kids. And we do it all in the kitchens that you guys supply.
Well, Wes, I know you're super busy. You guys are getting ready to open up here. You got stuff getting ready to be cooked. And thank you for just taking a little bit of time out of your busy schedule to let us come into your world a bit.
I tell you what, anything for you guys. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.
And thanks for joining us for This Week on the Outer Banks. We'll see you next week.